Hello everybody, in this video I'll be opening up this Alcatel tablet and try to remove the battery. So all I do is there's a little groove on the edges here. It's got enough to put your fingernails, or you can use a screwdriver and open it up, or something that is plastic. This is how the inside of the tablet looks like. This is the battery. Looks like it's taped to the back of the tablet. Oh yeah, you can see it's got this black tape behind it. It seems very hard to remove. Got to use a little bit of force here. It's stuck pretty well. I'm gonna try to get it from the other side now. See what happens. Okay. Gonna just use force basically. I'm gonna just try to pull as hard as I can. There's this black double-sided tape, it looks like. Must be very strong. I am using a lot of force. I'm trying not to put too much pressure on the front of the tablet in case it damages the screen. Just gonna slowly pull. And yeah, still this double-sided black tape. Must be commercial grade tape. And here we go, slowly pulling it off, and I managed to almost get rid of it. Just make sure that you're not damaging any of the other cables, and here we go. Okay, so remove the battery here. It's got the number, the model number. It's built in 2019, manufactured, and this is the connector that you need if you want to replace it. So I'll put the model number here as well.